My kids never would expect me to go on a helicopter ride while they're at school. They're going to be so jealous when I come home and tell them all about it.
We've done a lot of touristy things, but we've never done anything like this.
So we went up and had the best time ever. I loved it. I would do it again. I will bring my children. I think every mother should experience it.
This was one of the most fun experiences I've had. This is the best Tuesday I've ever had.
Welcome on board. My name is Warren. I'm going to be your pilot this afternoon. So make sure your seatbelts are buckled. And here we go, guys.
Oh my! Oh la la la! Woo! Here we go! Cooler field! Oh, it's so much cooler up here. My kids would be very jealous of me right now that I'm up on a helicopter.
So much fun.
Wow, you can really see the whole city.
I've lived in Chicago basically my whole life. I've never seen a view like this.
We saw the Hancock Tower, the Ferris wheel at Navy Pier.
We just got to see everything in the city that you don't get when you are on the streets.
This has been an amazing Tuesday. I don't want to go back. Amazing. Amazing Tuesday.
I mean, come on, okay?
It's over. Man.
This day was the best Tuesday I've had since I've had kids. And I got to go on a helicopter ride. We did the package with champagne, and I got to hang out with my friends. It was the best mom's night out I've had.
I've lived in Chicago for 6 years, and seeing it from up there, you really get a feel for how beautiful this city really is.
Once I was here, I was very excited. I was nervous at home. Here, you guys make it so great.
I love the Chicago helicopter experience.